Meaning of intellectualism.
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 Intellectualism. Intellectualism refers to the emphasis on the role of intellect, reason, and rationality in human affairs, particularly in cultural, social, and political contexts. It is a worldview that gives importance to knowledge, critical thinking, and reasoning as the primary means of understanding and improving the world. It can also refer to the pursuit of knowledge and the cultivation of the mind through education, reflection, and discourse. In general, intellectualism values the ability to think independently and analytically, and to engage with complex ideas and issues.